Hey, Dentist Advisors, we are so excited to welcome one of our new partners on with us. Today, we're introducing Apex Payment Solutions, and we're thrilled to have a partner in the payment solutions arena. It's a question that we're asked about frequently, or advice that we are asked about often. And we have onboarded Apex Payment Solutions, so a great opportunity for everyone to get to know them. I invited Mark and Zach on to talk a little bit about their business. Mark, Zach, welcome.
Thanks for having us. Appreciate it.
Yeah, thank you.
Mark, I'm going to kick it to you. Give us an introduction on Apex, and Zach, jump in and interrupt me and Mark and I at any time as well.
Sounds good.
Sure. So like you said, my name is Mark. I've been with Apex since 2021. And basically what we do is save dentists money on their credit card processing. You know, it's essential to every business to be able to collect payments. You want to minimize those fees as much as possible and have valuable tools as a part of that. So that's what we offer. My role is client engagement. So I'll work with you. We'll go over the options, what you're looking for, present savings, talk about pricing, and then once your account is live, I'd be your first point of contact as well. So any questions, concerns, anything like that, you'd all have my cell phone number. Dr. Allmand, do you want to talk about Apex history and how this all got started?
Sure, I will. But let me talk you up a little bit, Mark. He's selling himself short. So Mark, one of the valuable pieces of our team is how dental centric we are. So I am a practicing dentist. I am a practice owner. I've owned my own practice since 2013. Mark was a former office manager at a dental office, which is part of the key reasons that we brought him on, is because he intimately knows the space. He intimately knows the hurdles, the frustrations that come with running a dental practice. So Mark is an excellent resource for both the dentists and the team members in getting your team onboarded and comfortable with the platform and utilizing the tools that we offer to their fullest extent. A little bit about the company background. Like I said, I am a practicing dentist. I bought my practice in 2013. And one of the first things I did was jump into our overhead, because it was a 70% overhead practice. We had just taken out a $1.2 million loan, and I couldn't sleep at night knowing whether we were going to be able to keep the lights on or not. So over the course of a year, I drove the overhead down from a 70% to, we hover between 39 to 42% now. One of the key components of that, what I found, was merchant services. And it's the easiest way to drive down overhead, but it's also one of the areas that dentists most get taken advantage of. And as I went through this journey of discovery into what is merchant services, I quickly realized how dishonest some companies can be, and how much meat there was on the bone, and how it could be done better in our space, and how we could serve our colleagues better. So 2016, we officially formed Apex with a platform of tools that not only allowed us to save dental offices money, but it also allowed us to help offices take payments more efficiently in different ways. Automated payment plans, encrypted card file or card on file storage, website integration. And what we have found with our platform of tools is that we're not only increasing the efficiency within which we're getting paid, but we're also broadening the scope of how we can get paid. So we're not only increasing productivity, we're increasing case acceptance with the proper usage of the platform. So we're lowering the bottom line, but we're also helping offices to raise their top line. So at the end of the day, I started the company to serve my colleagues. I had a conversation with a merchant services company where they really just made me mad. And I said, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to take what you do. I'm going to do it better. And I'm going to run your business into the ground. And so that's what we've aimed to do since 2016. And it's been a fun ride, because a lot of what we do revolves around educating offices on their options, whether it be different pricing models, passing fees on to patients, which is becoming more and more prevalent. How does that look in a dental office? Well, why is this merchant services company have me on a flat rate like Square, or this one's a tiered rate like this other company, and you're using Interchange Plus? What does all of that mean? One of our biggest goals is education. Just like I approach patient care, I'm educating patients on their options, giving them different options, and then allowing them to choose what works best for them. We approach merchant services in the same way. We do a deep dive into what you're paying currently. We show you where you could save money, how you could save money, and how you could leverage our platform of tools to increase case acceptance and productivity in your office. And then the decision is up to you.
Yeah, so good. This is such a dynamic duo. We love to see when you take, Dr. Allmand, your experience is, it makes you want to go out and make a process or a system or a product better. And you've done that. But Mark, with your experience in watching the frustration and or the overhead of the office and dealing with credit card processors, et cetera, like, man, you guys have it dialed. You understand the business well. You're practicing in the business, both of you. And now with a product that can work and save every one of our clients money and time and headache. So awesome. What a great journey. What a great business, and really excited to have you guys on board.
Thank you.
Well, Dentist Advisors, we are excited to have them on a lot of upcoming shows and events on our Facebook Lives and webinars. You can obviously reach out to them on all their contact information you see here on our site, and looking forward to working with you guys in the future.
Likewise.
Thanks so much.
All right. Thank you.
Thanks.